What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a follow-up video for you here on the Titan Survivor cord. So it's not a paid promotion. I just found this online. Great product. Wanted to share a little bit more about it since I didn't have a ton of detail on my last video talking about the survival gear, bug out bag, so on and so forth. I went ahead already on this one, removed the inner guts, if you will, or the actual internals of this Survivor cord, aka Paracord, as some people call it. I did want to give you kind of couple quick details about it. According to Titan, it is 620-pound cord. Fishing line inside of it does have a 25-pound test line, along with a wax jute, which can be used for tinder, and a utility wire, along with actual paracord inside of it. So, wanted to show you, again, I did mention I dissected everything. So, inside of here, this is actually the guts of the Survivor cord. So you can see this here. This is actually the fishing wire, 25-pound test line. Definitely handy, especially if you're an outdoors person or something like that. You need a backup, or again, you're in a situation where maybe you don't have a ton of tools with you and you need to try and source food. You know, that could definitely be helpful, no question about it. Same goes for the utility wire, which is inside here. It's hard to see. This appears to be some sort of copper wire, which is still relatively strong. Could be used for a trap. It is conductive, so possibly for some sort of electrical circuit if you needed it to be, and or maybe making even tools. Leaving it slightly primitive, but hey, if you're faced with no choice, you know, you've got that at your disposal. Paracord itself, so these are strands of the paracord, so again, stuff that's used to actually, well, skydive with or used for parachutes or other applications. Very strong. I want to say this is actually 44 pounds per strand. So this stuff is quite sturdy, to say the least. The last piece of it that I wanted to show you is actually the waxed jute. So the waxed jute here, this is actually used with tinder or another source of material that you're using to actually start a fire. That might be like kindling or something of that sort. So kind of give you a little bit of a demonstration here. Wax jute, it does actually burn pretty well. It smells just like anything else, a candle or something of that sort. But according to Titan, this stuff is actually supposed to burn in vast majority of conditions, whether it be wet, dry, so on and so forth. But a great handy little tool to actually have inside of this paracord. Still impressed to this day. Can't speak, you know, highly, more highly about the Titan Paracord than I've already given you already. But definitely, like I said, great product. Stay tuned to the channel. You know, upcoming here, do have a trigger review for Rise, well, with a Rise armament, and kind of comparing, looking at the details of that against a standard mil-spec trigger, if you will, looking at the weight differences, so on and so forth. But hey, you know what? If you want to see that video, smash that like and subscribe button, and you'll be the first to know about it. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and have a great day.